Hey there, health enthusiasts! Are you ready to dive into the wonderful world of coconuts? That's right, today we're going nuts for coconuts. So, if you're curious about how this tropical treasure can boost your health, stick around. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell on the Altruist channel to stay updated with more superfood secrets. First off, let me tell you, coconuts are not just holiday decorations or the topping on your favorite dessert. They're packed with some amazing health benefits. Did you know that coconuts are fantastic for your hydration? That's right. Coconut water is not only refreshingly delicious, but also comes loaded with electrolytes, more potassium than 4 bananas. Wow, that's a powerhouse for hydration. Moving on to coconut oil, it's been a buzzword in both the culinary and cosmetic industries. This isn't just a fad. Coconut oil contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs for short, which are metabolized differently than other fats. This means they can provide a quick source of energy. Plus, it can help boost your metabolism. Imagine that, eating something delicious and actually revving up your metabolic engine. And let's not forget about fiber. Yes, coconut meat is rich in fiber. Including coconut in your diet can help improve digestion, help you feel full longer, and might just keep those sugar cravings in check. Who knew that something so tasty could also help maintain a healthy weight? Now, for all you beauty enthusiasts, coconuts have got something for you too. Coconut oil is often praised for its moisturizing benefits. It's a natural way to keep your skin hydrated and looking radiant. Plus, it's a great hair mask to bring back that shine and reduce frizz. I can go on and on about the benefits of coconuts. They truly are a gift of nature. Whether you're using it in your smoothies, your meals, or as part of your skincare routine, coconuts bring a lot to the table. So the next time you pass by coconuts at the grocery store, remember, they're more than just a pretty face. They're a bundle of health, energy, and beauty. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Remember to subscribe to The Altruist for more insightful videos like this. We've got a whole lot more coming your way that you won't want to miss. Until next time, keep healthy and keep loving nature's wonders.